Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how to make cut crease for a beginner, please continue to watch the video. First, I'm gonna be using Midnight Black eyeshadow by Makeup Obsession. Next, I'm gonna be taking Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 and applying it under the eyebrows to make or highlight the eyebrows. After doing both this side, I'm gonna blend it out with Beauty Blender. I'm gonna do the same way above the eyebrows as I did under the eyebrows. Next, I'll be blending out the excess products. Now to set the concealer, I'm gonna take Makeup Revolution Pro HD Amplify 35 Palette Defiant in the shade Insolent. And guys, this is the only eyeshadow palette that I'll be using, so I'll be listing the shades down below in the description box. Please don't forget to check out the shades if you want to know what are the shades that I'm using. Next, I'm taking the same Fit Me concealer in a shade 20 and making half moon shape on the eyelid. And guys, please don't think that it's a very fast process. Of course, you're gonna take time. It's gonna be quite slow, but it's worth the wait, worth the time that it takes. Next, I'm gonna be taking highlighter by Wet n Wild in the shade Blossom Glow, and then applying eyeliner by Lakme. So guys, here's the final result of cut crease eye makeup, and after putting eyelashes and entire makeup, this is the final result. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, and goodbye, see you next time.